What is up, rock stars? How are you? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsome, and I got some really incredible updated information about this marathon that we are doing for Feed the Children. Not only is our leader and champion of the charts, Johnny Guarco, doing 26.2 miles, his wife, Irene, is also doing 26.2 miles. So is Joseph Musso. So is Felicity. And so is Ross Conway. We got a whole squad. We got a whole team doing this incredible race for a phenomenal and fantastic charity and organization. My friends, I ask you to support this cause. Let's put in some money, even if it's $5. It will add up, and we will be able to save lives and feed children who need it most. You guys are so cool. I love you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.